Enriching everyday life with technology solutions is possible when we bring software and hardware together with a people-first perspective to simplify complex tasks and build better products. We call it HARMAN Lifeware. Human by design, technology-led solutions that enable safer, smarter, and sustainable communities. We do this in the industrial and manufacturing sector with Industry 4.0 and digital product engineering solutions to help you reimagine what technology can do, so you can build factories of the future, prototype products for better outcomes, digitize the manufacturing process, ensure worker safety, and enable real-time transport management. We've seen the outcomes on the ground with our smart agriculture system and digital twins that helped a global agriculture tech giant gain the intelligence they needed to improve yield in seed trials. Our computer vision and AI-led solutions helped an oil and gas major get real-time insights into safety and resource optimization to improve compliance. See what technology can do for you to build smoother operations, seamless connectivity, and smarter factory floors with HARMAN Lifeware. Make digital product engineering for factories of the future an exciting and rewarding reality.